let's get ready to check into the Disneyland Hotel. There is a pool here.
Kanye is going in there. Oh, good house.
See how interactive the map is?
Yeah, look.
Pretty cool.
Hey, you might have got GoPro light.
Look at even the elephants shooting out water.
Look.
Watch, see?
Captain Hook.
So we are staying at the Disneyland Hotel. Waiting area. Here we are in the lobby of the Adventure Tower. As you can see, everything is themed around Adventureland. Over here is a picture of Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room, as well as some other pictures from the Jungle Cruise with statues of the animals, picture of the entrance to Adventureland, and outside here is a picture of what Adventure Tower sign looks like. All right, here's the daytime view from our hotel room. You can see the Paradise Pier Hotel, Incredicoaster, the Pal Around, Cars Land, Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout, Downtown Disney, Space Mountain, Matterhorn, and Star Wars Galaxy Edge. I also never knew they had a baseball field on the top of what used to be the ESPN Sports Zone. There's more over here?
Yeah, it's like a Disney hat.
There's a Disney hat.
Yeah, look.
Oh, there is. You can see the Disney hat from over here.
Like
The
a
parking
Mickey.
structure.
Yeah, and a Mickey and Tinkerbell.
There is a Mickey and Tinkerbell, huh?
Yeah, among the hat.
They are.
Oh.
So here we are, the Disneyland Hotel in our room.
Mommy, I want to get on the bed.
So gorgeous.
Daddy,
I know, it's cute.
get on the bed.
What does it say? A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. And I like the picture. The lights have Mickey hands and hidden Mickeys on them. Very cute. The sinks also have Mickey Mouses on the handles. Walt Disney is all over, neat and ready. Here's the other lamp. And in the shower, the towel has hidden Mickeys. The shower knobs also have Mickeys on them. And over this way, there is a separate area for the toilet. And they have a picture of the Jungle Cruise in here. There's the hidden Mickeys.
Wait.
You missed it. I'll show you on the video. Want to see something cool? Come this way. Look it. This way. Check out the suite. Look at it.
Oh, that's cool.
It's a Adventureland suite. Tiki.
I like it.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Mommy, let's go fun brother's cabin.
Alright. We are in the e-ticket concierge lounge. They have a picture of Nature's Wonderland, as well as some other pictures of Walt Disney and e-tickets. Here's a collection of the booklets they used to sell back when the park first opened. They have an assortment of food And then over this way, they have some statues. They have a picture, they have the guys from the Haunted Mansion. And they also have some from Pirates. And over in here is the fridge where they have a selection of beverages that you can grab before you head to the parks. Right, one last look at our view. This is the view from our room. You can see the hidden Mickeys in the floor. The bed's nice. Got this. This is a really cool feature for the headboard.
It takes a second.
You can hear the music. Don't forget to hit that like button and also go ahead and subscribe and press the notification bell for upcoming videos. And as always, have a tickerific night. Bye-bye.